Hey, welcome back to Math. It's been a little while since you've seen me. Today we're going to do just a real quick review on ratio tables and how we can use them to go up and down. And this can even help with multiplication or kind of division. But first, I have a ratio table, and I kind of have a middle chunk. And I am going to be asked, if I was you guys, to find some different numbers. So what if I were to say I need to find, we'll make a really easy one. I need to find what 12 is. How do I find what 12 is? Well, first, we have to find out how much it's going up by every time. Here we can see it's going up by ones. And I went up by one again. So these are all plus ones. Now I have to see how much I'm going up here. Obviously it's not ones, and that will help me figure out how much to go up for this one right there. So, there's a couple different ways that we can do that. I want you guys to look at it real quick and see if you might know a way that you can do that. All right. Nice work if you did. If you didn't, that's okay. I'm going to walk you through it here and you can try to think along with me. Well, one of the ways is I could just subtract 240 minus 216 to see how big the jump was right here. So I can do 240 minus 216. Ooh, I can't take away 6 from 0, so I'm going to have to borrow from here. And that gives me 10 in my 10 ones now. And 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So it's going up by 24 every time. And then I went up here again, a plus 24. Plus 24. And so we need to go up here, a plus 24. So I just need to, I'm going to make erase so I can add some space again. I'm going to do 264 plus 24. Make sure you're lining them up right. We have 8, 8, and 2. So we get 288. What if I want to go backwards? I want to go 8. What do we need to do now? Well, again, you can just subtract. If we're going down one group of 24 here, that's a minus 1 here. That means we need to minus 24 there. Mr. B cannot write tonight. So I'm minus 24. So I can do 216 minus 24. And I get a 2. I can't take away 2 from 1, so I have to borrow, and that turns into 11. That's a 9, and I get 192. So that went minus 24 going up. Well, that's pretty good, but going up and down by just a little bit is kind of slow sometimes. What if I wanted to know, and I'm going to erase this here so we can see, I have some jumps that we should be able to make that are kind of quick. And I'm going to ask you how I would do that. What if I wanted to go to 5? Well, I could minus 24 to get 7, minus 24 again, and keep minusing 24, or I could look for clues in my thing here. Well, I have 5, and 5 is half of 10, so I could take half of 240, and you get 120. What if I go down here and I ask for 20? Well, 20 is double 10, so I can double 240 and I get 480. What if my last one I went up here and I went 1? Well, if 10 times 24 is 240, 1 times 24 is 24. Last one, 100. Well, I'm just going to do my same thing here. So 1 times 24 is 24. 10 times 24 Notice my zeros, I'm going up one place value is 240. I went up 2 place values again, so now it turns into 2,400. So that is a real quick reminder on how to do ratio tables. You're going to have some ratio table practice today in math. If you have any questions, please ask them in whole group. Otherwise, I will see you then. Bye.